Hello everybody, I'm Eddie V, and in today's video I'm going to be putting these Husky liners weather beater mats, I guess that's what they call it. That's how they came in pretty quick from eBay, and I am going to see if I could get it installed in my Mazda 3. They're specifically for my Mazda 3, so I'm going to go ahead and put them in. Let's go over to my Mazda 3 quickly, and I'm going to show you what my floors look like right now. So I just vacuumed it, so it's a little bit cleaner, but it gets dirty very fast. I don't want to really deal with all that mess. So basically what I want to do is put these floor liners in there, that way it doesn't get as messy and I can take care of it a little bit better. So let's go ahead with it. These are a little bit cheaper than the WeatherTech. I think WeatherTech is overrated, and these are Husky ones, as they call it. So let's go ahead and give them an install. Okay guys, so I just got to clean up my seats a little bit, but other than that, as you can see, all of these Husky liners look really good. The only thing I didn't like, guys, is right here, is I had to cut out my own fitting down here for the gas for the trunk and the fuel tank door. Other than that, it's pretty good. I'm impressed with it, and now I could peacefully drive. Anytime it gets dirty, all I do is just pop it out and clean it up, or just vacuum it up and wipe it and you're good to go. No need to do anything else, so that's why I like it. All right guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.
Not canceled.
Guys, I'm Eddie V.
2004 turn right. This particular package.
Driving a temp in the 6 Series.